Hey guys, this is Sujit. So recently SEBI has come out with its new margin and pledging system which has been implemented from September 1st. So in this video, we'll be quickly learning about how the new margin system works and how it is different from the old margin system.
Here is a basic setup of clients, brokers and depositories. So in next few minutes we'll learn about how the new margin system works and how it is different from the old margin system. First, we'll understand how the old margin system used to work. Here is a broker who has 5 different clients. These clients have 1 crore rupees in the form of shares in their demat account.
Since the broker has obtained POA from his clients, he has the right to transfer shares from client's demat account to his demat account. Broker in turn will be pledging these shares with the depositories or clearing corporation. The depositories will take a haircut and provide cash margin to the broker. That is, if the broker has pledged 5 crore worth of shares and he will be availing 4 crore as cash margin. This cash margin belongs to 5 clients of the broker. Let us assume 2 clients are inactive clients and only 3 clients trade actively. This 4 crore cash margin was obtained from 5 people and will be given to these 3 active traders in the form of leverage, which technically means that even though these 2 people are not actively trading, their shares are pledged and margin obtained is given to these 3 active traders. So the 3 people are getting benefit from the shares owned by the other 2. This led to misuse of funds of the clients from the brokers. Best example for this is Karvy. To overcome this, SEBI has come up with a new margin system. Let's assume only these 2 clients are interested in obtaining pledge margin. In the new system, shares of the clients are not transferred to the broker's demat account. In turn, it remains in the client's demat account, which ensures safety. When the client wants to pledge his shares, in this new system, the client gives a lien to the broker with the existing shares. Further, the broker pledges it with the depository to obtain a margin on these shares. The depository gives the cash margin to the brokers with a haircut. The margin is transferred to the respective clients only. The advantage is that the brokers won't be able to take shares of the clients into their demat account, which ensures complete safety and transparency. In this system, inactive clients' shares can't be pledged without their consent, and this makes sure that the brokers are not misusing the inactive client shares.
Hope you have understood how the new margin system works. For more such content, please like, share and subscribe.